with the Roo or kangaroo animal mimicry movements. Could probably use that to step. The Hsing I, little Hsing I is a style, probably an internal, external style of martial arts, Chinese style. One of the three internal arts, Bagua, Tai Chi and Hsing I. And it has a little sort of like push step, I suppose, push off the back leg to move forward. And I'm just incorporating that movement. It's like a natural human movement anyway, like, you know, you can sit back on your leg and, you know, sit back with the weight on the back leg and push in. Really, I'm probably a bit higher. I'm sitting back a little bit. So you push in with that front punch, whichever way you want to do it. If you want to do it vertical or horizontal, and push, pull, like drawing a bow. Generally in Bajiquan 8 extremities fist, whatever you want to call it, Hakyoko Ken in Japanese. You step, as you do that step forward, you pull back. So you pull back and strike. So this is like pulling the bow. It's really, I suppose, yeah, pulling the bow, but really it's sort of just drawing the bow. And then this fist could go if you wanted it to, I suppose, when you move forward. But yeah, it's really just pulling a bow string type thing, but you're punching with this front arm.